Hi, this is Andrew McIntyre from the Pix4D training team, and in this video we will learn best practices for data management with Pix4Dsurvey. Pix4Dsurvey allows you to import Pix4D Mapper projects and external point clouds. There are four common file types you can use with Pix4Dsurvey, which include a P4D file, which is a project file created with Pix4D Mapper, a P4S file, which is a project file created with Pix4Dsurvey, an LAS file, which is a point cloud file created with Pix4D Mapper, laser scanners, LiDAR, or other third-party tools, or an LAZ file, which is a compressed version of an LAS file. When importing a Pix4D Mapper project, data management is critical. You should never modify the default file structure of Pix4D Mapper outputs because Pix4Dsurvey has been designed to find source folders associated with the P4D file you choose to import. If a Pix4D Mapper project is not displaying correctly after you import it into Pix4Dsurvey, some project files could be missing or are not stored in the correct location. When importing external point clouds from a laser scanner or LiDAR, the coordinate system needs to be written directly in either the LAS file or in the LAZ file. And if you are importing multiple projects or files, all coordinate systems must match. Basically, unless you have clear reason to do so, don't be tempted to change the file structure. Otherwise, it may disrupt your workflow later. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.